Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Kuna camera keeps going offline in 2026. Now, Kuna cameras are very sensitive to unstable Wi-Fi setups, especially dual band routers. So if your router combines the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz under one name, the camera may disconnect repeatedly. So in order to fix it, you just have to simply go to your router's settings. Inside the settings, you need to connect your camera with only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Also, make sure that the signal is strong at the installation spot, and this alone step is going to basically fix this particular problem. Now, if the issue still persists, you can just simply try our second fix, in which you just have to basically inspect the power supply through the light fixture. So Kuna cameras are built into the outdoor lights, so power depends on your wall wiring. If the light switch is turned off or there is inconsistent voltage, the camera will go offline. So you need to make sure that the switch is always on and wiring inside the fixture is also secure. If disconnections happen randomly, it is often a power fluctuation issue. Now you can also open your Kuna application on your phone, and then you can just simply check whether the camera shows delayed status or fails to load live view. If that's the case, you can just simply log out of your application and then you can log back in order to basically refresh the connection. If that doesn't help, you can remove the camera from the app and then you can start setting it up again. This also clears most of the hidden pairing or syncing related issues. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Kuna camera is back online again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.